My name is Tebogo Michael Mutsane. I'm a captain by rank in the South African Navy, and I'm the project officer for Project Biro, which is the acquisition of the multi-mission capability for the South African Navy. At this present moment, that capability will consist of 3 multi-mission inshore patrol vessels. The construction of this vessel started in December 2018. That's when we started receiving the first steel of the vessel. Then on the 23rd of February 2021, we had a christening ceremony. That was the preparation of the ship to be put into the water. Prior to that, we had a keel laying ceremony. That was in February 2020 when we had that ceremony for the keel laying ceremony. Then it was officially put into the water on the 28th of March in 2021. Then fitting and outfitting of systems continued, setting to work, and then we went through various trials, sea and alongside trials to prepare her for handover. A lot of work goes into that because it envisages all the systems that are on board, from propulsion, electrical, accommodation on board, the galley equipment systems in the galley, which is the kitchen, the hospitality service in its whole. So eventually we got to this culminating point where we've reached right now, where we're ready to deliver the vessel on the 18th of May in 2022. This is called a multi-mission inshore patrol vessel. What makes it a multi-mission vessel is that it has the capability to take up multiple containers on the mission deck. It can take containers that are 3 meters by 6 meters long, 2 of them, or with a combination of 3 meters by 3 meters containers, 3 of them on board the mission deck. So depending on what has been put into those containers, it makes it a multi-mission ship. It can either transport cargo in the containers, or you can put mine countermeasure capabilities that are in the containerized system. However, there is a different project. It's called Project Motu. It also has the capability of conducting boarding operations, because we've got an organic boarding boat on board, and we've got the capability to carry 13 extra personnel on board for whatever duty they would like to perform, whether it would be boarding and seizure operations or either other operations that would be required for that matter. In terms of the speed, the vessel can go up to 20 knots in speed. The length of the vessel is 62 meters and it's 11 meters wide. We have got multiple sensors on board the ship for communication intercept, radar detection, and our maximum caliber weapon that we have on board is a 20 millimeter weapon. It's a remotely controlled 20 millimeter weapon system. At this moment, I could say to you that there were 300 direct jobs that were created because of the project, and 1,000 indirect jobs that were created because of the project. And then the companies that has benefited are now supplying diamonds both nationally, and now has been capacitated to supply international markets as well. The rejuvenation of the South African Navy is very important because the threat changes all the time. These ships are currently geared towards the current threat that we have, and the capability to stretch it to as much as possible to cater for various aspects, from minesweeping via containerized systems to boarding and seizures operations. I think the Navy should be proud of the achievement in the acquisition of this multi-mission inshore patrol vessel. These will be working horses of the South African Navy, with over 60% of local content that is on board. There will not be any challenges that I perceive to have in terms of maintenance of the vessel and running and acquiring spares and so forth. So they will remain readily available, keeping to the maintenance requirements to keep them available for the South African Navy to operate at sea. Well, the ship is in itself very modern, from the navigation systems that are integrated in the ops room, from the bridge. You're capable to pass information directly from the mission deck and display it in the ops room, either on the video wall or on the screen separately. So technological advancements that are on board would enable this vessel to serve for the 30 years for which it is intended to serve the nation.